We are going to create cross-section and longitudinal section using survey data. As the first step, I have imported some survey point to my drawing. To see survey points clearly, I'm changing scale to appropriate scale. Now we can see points clearly. Then I'm creating surface from the imported survey data. Follow my steps. The surface has created, and you can see the created surface 3D view. To cut the LS and CS, we have to define alignment to the created surface. So I have first drawn alignment line using polyline. No line has created. Now I'm going to define alignment. We can give any name to this alignment. Chainages we can give as our requirement. Follow my steps. Now alignment has created. Now we can draw the LS. Follow my steps. Chainages we can see. Maximum and lowest elevations we can customize, or else can use automatic values. Now you has created LS. Now, how to create cross-sections? Prior to create cross-sections, we have to create sample line. Create sample line and give suitable name. In this stage, we have to define LHS offset value and RHS offset value. Also, we can give the increment distance along the alignment. Follow my steps. Now you can enter. Now you can see changes of the cross-sections. Then you can go to multiple cross-sections and follow my steps.
Offsets and changes can see here. Also, lowest and highest elevation can change if need. I have used this label style. After all, we can create cross-section anywhere in drawing. There are a lot of things you can do in these menus. I'm only guided to basic work. You can demonstrate by yourself. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. It will help me to do more content.